to my project of wearable medical device. Today in the recent area, chronic bone and soft tissue pain is a very common clinical problem. To get rid of this problem, the world faces a lot of tragic issues on the chronic pains and body pain. So to get rid of these problems, I have made a simple electronic circuit along with in which I am providing the 4 types of therapies commonly known as TENS therapies, transcutaneous electric nerve stimulation therapy, vibration therapy, pulse electromagnetic field therapy, and pulse and static magnetic field therapy. So here it is, these are the designs which I had made it. And now first of all we should know about the TENS therapy. What is TENS therapy? TENS means transcutaneous electric nerve stimulation therapy. Basically a research was conducted in the University of Maryland that if we are applying a frequency, means directly if we are applying a frequency of 3 to 5 Hz on any particular system or on our skin, it produces a hormone known as endorphin hormone. That endorphin hormone is a pain releasing hormone, pain relief hormone. Actually now first of all, here it is the device in which we will be stepping towards its first step. First we will see that how a frequency will be generated in this device. Just now I'm owning the circuit here, and it is showing a frequency range of nearly about 23.4 Hz, which means that it is perfect for releasing the endorphin hormone. And now this therapy is known as TENS therapy, this transcutaneous electric nerve stimulation therapy. Also there are 2 main methods of using a TENS therapy. First one is pain getting and second one is endorphin release. The mode works on 2 types of therapies. First one is known as high frequency field and second one is low frequency field. In high frequency field, our frequency of more than 50 Hz or more than 50 Hz is to be generated, and that 50 Hz frequency generally blocks the pain signal reaching to the brain. So just now also we are producing here, this consists of 4 special vibrator along with 2 special negative magnetic field magnets. These 4 vibrators, according to the research, the vibration therapy helps in reducing the pain by 40%. And also, since from the time of paralysis, static magnetic field therapies are used for curing the pain. Yeah, static magnetic field produced by permanent magnet. Some practitioners are assigned different effect based upon the orientation of the magnet under the laws of physics. Magnetic poles are symmetric. Small static magnets are magnetized and can vary from 500 Gauss to more than 3000 Gauss in intensity. For shortened treatment, 10 to 20 minutes. Small bulkhead magnets of 500 Gauss would be sufficient, which is this. These magnets are of small 500 Gauss, which are sufficient for treating the pain. It would not make sense to use static magnetic over a deep acupuncture point. However, they should only be used over acupuncture points that are within 10 mm of skin surface. So here this is completely a band. If a person has a pain on its thigh, if a person has a pain on its shoulder, then he should just take this. And these are the 2 special pads in which these are the pads, here are the magnets, here are the vibrators and all, and it's the digital multimeter. Now again I am performing the experiment that how it's work actually. So first of all, let us complete the first phase of experiment of producing high and low magnetic field. Sorry, high and low frequency. So I am connecting these all meters like here from this pad, and I am on the circuit. Here it produces a frequency of nearly about 23.3 Hz, which shows that it is more than 3 Hz. So it is enough for releasing the endorphin hormone. Now I am changing the mode of frequency just by giving the vibration. Okay, I am now on the second phase of my system, that is vibration therapy. So here I have on it. So just by applying the pressure, I'm able to change the frequency. So just by applying the pressure, I'm able to change the frequency of the system. So it can be, and now, so if suppose that I had a pen in my hand, then I had to take out this sorts of experiment, like I had to keep these two pads hereby only and bend this. Just I had to keep these two pads here, and this band should be, this scrap band should be installed here, like here, like this. And after the bands had been like this, the band should be tied up and placing these electrodes under the band. Now it will provide a pure cure of the pain by releasing the endorphin hormone and blocking the brain signal. So, and so this is the working model of wearable medical device that can be used for curing body and joint pain. And thank you. And if anyone are interested in this device, you can contact me on my email ID, that is nikky Kumar @yahoo.com. Again I am repeating, Nikky @yahoo.com. You can contact me and I will be giving you the further details that how you can take up this device. And thank you.